Hello everyone, my name is Emma and I'm so happy to be here for a new online tutorial with Mr. Ben from Tekercses Academy, and today we're gonna do a new project.
Hi Emma, so
Hello.
it seems that you called me for a new challenge?
Yes, I did.
Okay, you want to renovate your bathroom and you want to install a vinyl flooring.
I would love to.
Good, let's go for it.
Let's go. So tell me everything.
So now here in the bathroom, you see that we have some tricky steps. We will have the toilet that we should cut around and the pipes. And as you know, we will go step by step.
So from my toolbox, what do I need?
For this installation, you will need safety gloves, a cork press, measuring tape, pencil, blades and knives, vinyl cutter, a caulking gun with a silicone cartridge, spray with water and soap, and double-sided tape. And of course, you need your vinyl flooring.
Yes.
Did you choose it already?
Of course, I chose the Castillo concrete. Look, it's like a ceramic style and I absolutely love it. It's
Very
gorgeous.
nice. So here in the bathroom, as I already explained you during the last tutorial,
Yes.
we have to check that the subfloor is flat, clean and dry.
Okay.
And I'm pretty sure that you did it already.
I did.
Great. We have measured the room. We cut the sheet to the correct size. Now we will just unroll it and place the sheet. It should be fine. Okay, so now we move the sheet back a little bit.
Okay.
We will bend it like this, carefully. At this stage, we will cut the vinyl in the middle of the toilet,
Okay.
like this, and we will shape it around the toilet. For this step, I will use a knife with a curved blade, and of course, as usual, safety gloves.
Always.
So we place the blade just in the middle, and we cut straight. That's it. We will place double-sided tape all around the toilet to place correctly the flooring.
Sounds good. Thank you. Right here?
A little bit
Closer?
closer.
Okay.
Perfect. Okay, so here, step by step, we will make small cuts
Okay.
like this. Gently, we move the flooring and we press it around.
Okay.
You move it, and that's why here the tape is helping you. Your turn now.
Yes. Yay! I did it!
Good.
So now that I placed it, I need to make one more cut.
Yeah.
Here we go.
Very good.
Wonderful. Okay, so now what about the pipes? Is it the same thing?
Exactly the same thing. We will
Alright.
just bend the product, cut straight in front of the pipes, and then cut around. What do you think about the result?
It's perfect.
Now, thanks to our previous video when you were installing your ICONIK vinyl floor in your bedroom,
Yes.
you are a professional of the vinyl cutter.
Yay!
So I will let you do this wall.
No problem. And here we go.
Perfect. Okay, Emma, now we will just cut around the toilet.
So there is a final step, right?
Yeah, as we have already cut all the flooring,
Yes.
it's time now to make the ceiling around the toilets.
Wonderful.
It will avoid water to go underneath the flooring.
Okay.
For that, we will use silicone with a caulking gun, and we will use a spray. It's just water and soap. It will ease the removal of the silicone.
Easy. It is so nice, and I have to say I'm so proud of myself, so thank you so much, Ben.
Thank you for having me, and if you have any question, do not hesitate to contact me.
I will, definitely. And don't forget, guys, you can check the other online tutorials of the Tekercses Academy playlist. We'll see you soon.
See you.
Bye-bye.